Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 task manager not opening. Windows cannot find C Windows /system task manager.exe. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So the first method is that first of all, in the search box type a registry editor, open a registry editor, run as administrator, open it. After doing this that, select the HK local machine and expand it, select the software and expand it. After doing this that, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out Windows NT and expand it. Select the current version and expand it. After doing this test, find out image file execution options. So select it and expand it. After doing this set, find out a task MRG. Now if any file you can find a task mgr.exe. if you are find out any file from this, then delete it. I have already deleted. So after deleting that, close the registry editor and restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your Google search engine and type a media creation tool, select a download Windows 10 disk image, click on it. After doing this that, scroll down and click on a create media installation media. So click on download tool now, click on save, and it's required of a few seconds to download your file. Open it. It's required of a few seconds to start up. Click on accept button. After doing this that, select upgrade this PC now and click on next button. When you click on the next button, it's starting downloading will be started, and it's automatically download all missing files and all the updates. So after it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, your system automatically restarts, and after restarting that, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.